Imagine a life without daily insulin injections, a life where managing diabetes is no longer a constant struggle. For millions living with type 1 diabetes, this seems like a distant dream, a hope that feels almost out of reach. But now, groundbreaking research using stem cells is offering new hope, a beacon of light in the fight against this chronic condition. Scientists have developed a revolutionary stem cell therapy that could potentially cure this chronic disease, changing lives forever. This breakthrough has the potential to transform the lives of countless individuals, bringing joy and relief to many families. This new therapy focuses on regenerating the body's ability to produce insulin, a crucial hormone for survival. Insulin is vital for regulating blood sugar levels, ensuring that the body functions properly. With this innovative approach, we are entering a new era of diabetes treatment, one filled with hope and possibilities. The future looks brighter than ever for those living with type 1 diabetes as new treatments emerge. This is a significant development in the field of medicine, marking a milestone in our understanding and treatment of diabetes. It signifies a major leap forward in our fight against this debilitating disease, a step closer to a cure. The research is still in its early stages, but the initial results are incredibly promising, offering a glimpse of a future where diabetes can be managed more effectively. Type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune disease. In type 1 diabetes, the body's immune system mistakenly attacks and destroys beta cells in the pancreas. Beta cells are responsible for producing insulin. Insulin acts like a key, letting sugar from the food we eat enter our cells for energy. Without enough insulin, sugar builds up in the bloodstream. High blood sugar can lead to serious health problems over time. These problems include heart disease, vision loss, and nerve damage. Currently, there is no cure for type 1 diabetes. People with this condition require lifelong insulin therapy. They inject insulin multiple times a day or wear an insulin pump. This helps manage blood sugar levels, but it is not a cure. This new stem cell therapy offers a potential solution to this problem. Stem cells are like the body's master cells, holding the blueprint for all other cells. They have a unique ability. They can transform into other types of cells in the body, such as muscle, nerve, or blood cells. This makes them incredibly valuable for medical research, offering hope for new treatments and cures. Scientists believe stem cells hold the key to treating many diseases, including diabetes, Parkinson's, and heart disease. There are different types of stem cells, each with unique properties and potentials. Embryonic stem cells come from embryos and have the ability to become any cell type in the body, making them highly versatile. Adult stem cells are found in small numbers in our bodies, typically in tissues like bone marrow and fat. They are more limited in their potential, but can still develop into different cell types within their tissue of origin, such as skin or liver cells. Scientists are particularly interested in using stem cells to replace damaged or destroyed cells, potentially healing injuries and curing diseases. In the case of type 1 diabetes, the goal is to create new insulin-producing beta cells, which could revolutionize treatment. This is where the groundbreaking research from China comes in, offering new hope and possibilities for the future of medicine. A team of researchers in China has achieved a remarkable breakthrough in stem cell therapy for type 1 diabetes. This groundbreaking research has the potential to change the lives of millions of people suffering from this chronic condition. Their innovative approach involves transforming a type of stem cell found in umbilical cord blood into insulin-producing cells. These cells are crucial for regulating blood sugar levels in the body. These cells, known as induced pluripotent stem cells, or iPSCs, have the potential to revolutionize diabetes treatment. iPSCs can be generated from adult cells and reprogrammed to an embryonic-like state, making them incredibly versatile. The process involves reprogramming cells. This reprogramming is achieved through a series of complex steps that require precision and expertise. Scientists take these special stem cells and guide them to become beta cells. Beta cells are responsible for producing insulin, which is essential for controlling blood glucose levels. They do this by exposing the cells to certain factors and nutrients in a lab setting. This environment mimics the natural conditions needed for the cells to differentiate properly. This process is complex and requires a deep understanding of cell biology. It involves meticulous planning and execution to ensure the cells develop correctly. The team then transplanted these newly created beta cells into a patient with type 1 diabetes. This procedure aims to restore the patient's ability to produce insulin naturally. This marked the first time this type of therapy had been tested in a human. The clinical trial was closely monitored to assess the safety and effectiveness of the treatment. The results were astonishing and provided a beacon of hope for the future of diabetes care. This success paves the way for further research and potential widespread application of this therapy. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more updates on groundbreaking medical advancements. Section 5. A Ray of Hope, the first successful case. The first patient to receive this groundbreaking stem cell therapy was a young man in China. He had been living with type 1 diabetes for years. After receiving the transplant, the results were remarkable. His body started to produce insulin again. Before the treatment, he required daily insulin injections to manage his blood sugar levels. After the transplant, his need for insulin decreased significantly. This was a major milestone. It showed that the transplanted cells were functioning and producing insulin within his body. While he is not completely cured, the results are incredibly promising. This breakthrough suggests that stem cell therapy could one day free people with type 1 diabetes from their dependence on insulin injections. Section 6. Challenges on the horizon. What we still need to overcome. While the initial results of this stem cell therapy are exciting, it is important to remember that this research is still in its early stages. Several challenges need to be addressed before this therapy becomes widely available. One of the biggest challenges is ensuring the long-term safety and effectiveness of the treatment. Researchers need to monitor patients closely for any potential side effects and make sure the transplanted cells continue to function correctly over time. Another challenge is cost. Developing and manufacturing stem cell therapies is a complex and expensive process. Making these therapies affordable and accessible to everyone who needs them will be crucial. Section 7. The future of diabetes care. A world without insulin injections? Despite these challenges, the future of diabetes care looks brighter than ever. This groundbreaking stem cell therapy has the potential to revolutionize how we treat type 1 diabetes and other autoimmune diseases. Imagine a future where people with type 1 diabetes no longer have to worry about daily insulin injections. They could live life to the fullest without the constant burden of managing their condition. This is the future that stem cell research is striving towards. Scientists are also exploring other promising avenues in diabetes research, such as developing artificial pancreases and using gene editing techniques to correct the genetic defects that contribute to the disease. Section 8. Conclusion. A giant leap towards a cure. The development of this stem cell therapy represents a giant leap forward in the fight against type 1 diabetes. While there is still work to be done, the initial success of this treatment offers hope to millions worldwide. This groundbreaking research brings us closer to a future where type 1 diabetes is no longer a lifelong sentence. With continued research and innovation, we can make this dream a reality. The groundbreaking work of these scientists gives us hope for a healthier future.